I am 53 years old, and what is really important to me is my skin and my joints and my body as I age. And I wish somebody would have told me to start taking collagen a long, long time ago. So I'm speaking to the women of my age. It is not too late. Start taking collagen, start incorporating it into your daily regimen. It's really easy. That's all you need to do is grab a bag of collagen. I have it linked below. You're going to take a scoop and you're going to add it to your coffee or your favorite drink every morning. And I didn't bring a spoon with me, but that's all you have to do is mix it or maybe froth it, however you want to blend it. It's really simple. Start adding this so you have glowing skin and less wrinkles as you age, and make sure you are moving your body because it's extremely important that your joints continue to flow the way they should.